Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest videos in your gallery. Make sure to stick around till the very end so you don't miss any steps and can save your favorite Pinterest videos easily. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and find the video that you want to download. And once you have got your video selected, click on it to open it in full view. And now here you can see we do not have any download option. So we are going to copy the link to this video. For this, click on three dots and then from the menu that appears, click on Copy Link. Now this copies the video link to your clipboard, which we will use in the next step. After this, open your preferred web browser and search for a Pinterest video downloader. You will see these number of websites, so you can choose any one of them. And once you have opened the website, you will see a space to paste the link. So go ahead and paste the link you copied from Pinterest and then click on Download. After processing this link, the website will show you a preview of video along with the download button. So click on download video and allow a few moments for it to save to your device. The video will now download and depending on your device settings, it will be saved directly to your gallery in the downloads folder. Now you can open your gallery and see if the video is successfully saved. And you can see here, my video is successfully saved. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.